Welcome to Malvern Crossing, the lowest price private enclave of luxury twin and townhomes in Great Valley School District. Hi, I'm Jeannie, and I can't wait to show you all this community has to offer. Let me show you around. This private cul-de-sac of 66 homes with both east and west facing home sites is just steps away to a future township park that will also have access to the well-known Chester Valley Trail. The homes at Malvern Crossing truly feel like single-family homes, with all of the upscale features you expect. Want to have a relaxing evening at home with friends? Enjoy cooking a delicious meal in your new kitchen with included appliances and this large kitchen island. Upstairs, you'll have plenty of room for the family and out-of-town guests. Choose from 3 bedrooms plus a cozy loft or 4 bedrooms. At Malvern Crossing, every home has a 2-car garage. You'll never have to clean snow off your car ever again, and you'll have extra storage space. You'll love this amazing location. It's close to Route 202, 100, and the Pennsylvania Turnpike. For everyday needs, Whole Foods, Wegmans, Target, and specialty shops are just minutes away. There's so much I want to share with you about this great community on the main line. I can't wait to welcome you to Malvern Crossing. Make your appointment today and come see us.